Hair tips for fine hair types. I get so many requests and people asking about their hair, specifically when it's fine. So what does fine hair mean? Fine hair, and I've explained this in past videos, fine hair is different than thin hair. You could have a ton, like this mannequin, a ton of fine hair. What that means is each individual strand is very, very, very fine, meaning it's not super thick, not super coarse. It's very, very fine. You could actually easily break it because it's so fine in texture. So there's a lot of things you guys really need to understand when it comes to how to manage fine hairstyles and what haircuts work best. And this is universal. This goes for men and women. The first thing you need to understand is fine hair needs a little bit of extra support. And the best way to get extra support is through the products you're using, whether it's a volumizing shampoo, like I have my volume set, which works well. Something like my Tidal Wave Sea Salt spray, because it adds a little bit of that like kind of sea salt grit and texture. Lastly, you need something like a dry shampoo or my product Talc, which is a powder. The reason that you want to stay clear of things like serums and creams and waxes is because that makes the hair appear more wet, and wet hair has a tendency to make the hair look thin, right? You can see your scalp more, doesn't look like you have as much hair. So what you want to do is the opposite of making it look super smooth and silky and wet. You want it to look dry, not dry in a bad way, but just fully dry and full of volume. And those types of products are going to help support the style. Now, when it comes to the haircuts, there's a few different things you need to understand too. If you've got very, very fine hair, you can pretty much accomplish, for the most part, any hairstyle you're looking for if you have a lot of hair. You could have fine hair or thin hair, but not a lot of it. That's when we have other different types of issues. But for example, this mannequin, if you've got very, very fine hair, a lot of it, but it doesn't really seem to do much, keep in mind that if the hair is too long, then it's just going to want to, kind of lay down a bit flatter. That's where you want a haircut, something like this, that's got some length to it, so that even though the hair is a bit on the finer side in texture and density, you still have a great flow, and it's fairly easy to manage as well. So if you have hair that's really, really long with no layers, it's just going to weigh it down. Pixie haircuts work good on women. Shorter haircuts work good on women. Something with some layers to add some volume works well on women. You just want to make sure that when you're getting your hair layered, that it's not overly layered or improperly cut, because that could actually make the hair look even thinner and very unbalanced if it's not cut properly. The way I cut hair is and there's ways to do it to actually thicken the hair and to thicken the shape of the haircut. And that's very, very important as well. Short textured haircuts, again, are great, but you want to stay away from using waxes or certain types of pastes, because that's going to create more separation. And in fine hair or even thin hair, you don't want to create separation. You want to create something that is binding, right? And that's where the product like this, Talc, comes in, because you simply dab it on when the hair is dry, and then as you style it, it actually pulls the hairs together and they kind of bind onto each other, creating a thicker, fuller look. And then lastly, a dry shampoo works really well too, because that takes away some of that added moisture, some impurities from your hair, any sort of oils. And what it's doing is actually, again, creating more of a matte type effect and feel in your hair, so you're going to get more fullness from it. So I think you see where I'm going. The more on the matte, non-shiny, non-waxy, non-oily type of product you're using or look you're going for, the better your hair is going to come out, especially if you've got fine hair. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.